Students, welcome to NIEVS Homeschool. Today I am going to take a class on Class 5, Bangladesh and Global Studies. This is Rowshan Khandaker. I hope you are doing well by the grace of Almighty Allah. So, today's topic is Chapter 11, Lesson 4, Discussion. So, we will discuss this class. And class number is 16. Teacher's name Rowshan Khandaker. This is my number. You can contact with me if you have any problem. And term is annual, and this is the date. So let's get started. Chapter 11, Ethnic Groups in Bangladesh. In this chapter, we are going to discuss about the different ethnic groups of Bangladesh. So, in today's topic, the topic is the Tripura. Tripura is one of the ethnic groups in Bangladesh. Okay. The Tripura is another large ethnic group of hilly areas. They are the third largest group there. Underline this line. They are the third largest group there after the Chakma and Marma. So, what we can understand here is Chakma is the largest ethnic group in Bangladesh, and the second largest is Marma, and the third one is Tripura. Besides Bangladesh, they also live in state of Tripura in northeast of India. So, we get to know that the Tripura people of Tripura clan live in not only in Bangladesh, they also live in Tripura also, which is in India. Language. Tripura people has their own language which is called Kokbara. Kokbara. Underline this, Kokbara. Society. The Tripura people live in a collective group called a dote. There are a total of 36 dafa. Dafa means clans, groups. 16 in Bangladesh and 20 in Indian state of Tripura. So underline this. That means among total of 36 clans, 16 live in Bangladesh and 20 live in Indian state of Tripura. It is a patriarchal society. We know that there is two types of society. One is patriarchal, another is matriarchal. We have learned in our previous lessons that Garos and Khashis are matriarchal society. Okay, unlike them, the Tripura is a patriarchal society. But there is some exceptions, which is boys may inherit fathers and girls from mothers. We know that in patriarchal society, father is the head of the family and men inherit the property, all the property. But in Tripuran people, boys may inherit fathers and girls from mothers. So that is an exception. So now come to next topic, which is religion. The Tripura are a Hindu people. So they believe in Hinduism. Worship, underline this, worshipping Shiva and Kali. We know that Shiva and Kali is two god and goddess of Hindus. So they believe in Shiva and Kali and they worship them. But they also have their own gods like Care. So Care is their own god who protects the village. So we get to know that though they are Hindu people, but they have their own gods too, like other ethnic groups. The name of the god is Care, who protects the village. So next topic is houses. How their houses are. Their houses are raised up on stairs. That means it is It is raised up on stairs. The next topic is clothing. Women wear rhinai on their lower halves. That means as a skirt, they wear rhinai. Their skirt is called rhinai and rise above. That means in their upper body, they wear cloth which is called rise. They wear plenty of beads and earrings called natong. Underline this, natong. So they wear plenty of beads and earrings called natong. That means they are very fond of jewelries. The men wear dhoti, towels, longi and shirt. So there are some similarities between this ethnic group of groups clothing for men. Like they wear dhoti, towels, lungi and shirt. The next one is festival. The Tripura celebrate births, weddings and deaths. Boisho is a New Year celebration. So, like us, that we celebrate Pohala Boishak, they also have their celebration like New Year celebration, which is called Boisho. When the women of Tripura visit the villages, then they wear flowers in their hair and enjoy a lot. Okay, this is how they celebrate their festivals. Now, let's go to the next page. Let's talk. Discuss the help of your teacher, the society, religion and clothing of Tripura people. So we have discussed these three topics, okay? And the next one is make a table to show what the following ethnic groups wear: the Garo, Khashi, Mro and Tripura. So let's look at this table. You can make your own table. Clothing of ethnic groups. So first, Garo. We know that Garo women wear dogbanda or dogshari. Okay. And men wear shirt, lungi and dhoti. On the other hand, Khashi people, women wear a blouse called kazimpin. What is it called? Kazimpin. And men wear shirt and lungi called fungumaru. What is it? Fungumaru. And Mro people, women of Mro people wear one line. What is it? One line. Men wear short white dress. So that is a different, right? Like Garo people wear shirt, lungi, dhoti, and men of Khashi people wear shirt, lungi. But Mro people, in Mro people, men wear short white dress. Tripura. Women wear rhinai on their lower halves and rise above. Okay, we know that from our today's discussion. Men wear dhoti, towels, lungi and shirt. So these are all about clothing of ethnic groups. Now, the next, see, imagine you have a friend who is Tripura. He invited you to their New Year celebration, Boisho. What will you do there? So that is up to you. You think about what will do if you have a friend who is Tripura and he invited you to join their celebration. So now next, the majority of Tripura people live in what? Dash in India. Where does they live? So they live in state of Tripura. State of Tripura. They live in state of Tripura in India. So students, that is all for today. If you have any problem understanding this, you can call me. See you on next class. Thank you.